Budapest, Hungary is an architectural gem built from the union of 3 cities. And nothing symbolises this union better than its one-of-a-kind parliament, built to celebrate a millennia of Hungary's existence. Perched elegantly on the east bank of the Danube River, the Hungarian Parliament building is an example of neo-Gothic architecture with some Renaissance and Baroque elements. Commissioned in 1880, it was finally completed 24 years later. It's 314 feet tall and 880 feet long, making it one of the largest parliament buildings in the world. It's said that over 1,000 people were involved in its construction, during which 40 million bricks, 500,000 precious stones, and 88 pounds of gold were used. The inside is home to Hungary's National Assembly, the legislative branch of the country. The rest of the building's 10 courtyards and hundreds of offices are all linked through a system of endless corridors and a red carpet which is nearly 2 miles long. One of the highlights is the nation's crown, worn by about 50 rulers, the first of which reigned in the 12th century. And like the treasures inside, the building itself shines like a jewel in this nation's skyline.